Okay, good morning or good day, mabuhay, blessed be God forever. Again, welcome to our science. So for today, let us have first our review of the previous lesson. Okay, we'll not go over on the other slides, unlike the previous videos that we have uploaded. So I'll go right away on the review time. Okay, so last time, okay, we have studied about lesson 5, which is entitled sound. Okay, so let's just review or have a recap of what we have discuss about sound. Okay, so last time we talked about sound as a process on which a vibration travels from one medium. When we say medium, this is the object, to your ears, or to the ears of a living thing that can use their ears for hearing, right? Okay. And also we talk about the different factors and components of sounds, right? And those are medium, the receiver, and the flexibility of the sound and the temperature of the sound. Okay? So that's all about sound, and those are the things that we talk about sounds last time. Okay, now since we're done with the review of our lesson 5, I think we can now proceed on the next part of our day. Okay, and the next part is the discussion. Okay, so this is the important part of this video for you to be able to understand more the lesson or the new lesson that we will be having for today or that we had in our synchronous class. Okay, I hope this video will help you to understand the lesson that we will have for lesson 6. So what is our lesson 6? Okay. So just like what I've asked you, okay, what I've asked you in your synchronous class or your classmates have done on your synchronous class, I asked them to turn off the lights of the room where they are in. Okay. Can you do that? Okay, so if you have turned off the lights of the room where you are in right now, what have you observed? Okay, so maybe you observe that less lighting was given on the place that you are in. Also, if there's a light, it's the light of your laptop or your PC or your cell phone only. Okay? Why did I ask you to do that? Okay, because our lesson 6 or our lesson for today is about light. Okay, I know that you already had an idea about this topic because we study about it during your elementary days, during your grade 7 days, or your other level grade. Okay. So now for today, we are just going to focus on the different kinds of lights, okay, and its effect when it is in the atmosphere, or it how it reflects or how it affects our eyes or what our eyes see, okay, when light is in the atmosphere, okay, or in the sky. Okay, so without explaining more of it, okay, let us define light on this simple definition. So what is light? Okay, so let us read what is light according to this definition. It is the natural agent that stimulates sight and makes things visible. Again, natural agent. When we say natural agent, it occurs naturally. It is not being done by another person, but on the other, in a more simpler understanding, it occurs naturally. Okay, when we say it occurs naturally, it is more of, what do you call this, a normal way, like that, a normal thing, okay, that stimulates sight and makes things visible. So if we are talking about lights, what is the normal process of light? Okay, it stimulates, okay, it gives us sight, it gives us a chance to see things more clearly and visible. Okay, that is the meaning of light. Next, let's go now to the different light or kinds of light that affects our, not just affect, okay, but also give us the opportunity to see the other parts or the other reflection of it when it is in the atmosphere or in some places. Okay, we have here what we call visible light waves. What is visible light waves? As you can see on the picture, there are different colors. Okay, so that those different colors define this electromagnetic spectrum. What is electromagnetic spectrum? Okay, this electromagnetic spectrum, okay, is the one that gives reflection on the light to produce or for us to be able to see the different colors around us. Okay, that is why it is called visible light waves. Okay, so according to the definition, these are waves that are visible regions of electromagnetic spectrum. Just like what I've told you a while ago, this electromagnetic spectrum makes the colored lights visible in our eyes. Okay, we distinguish what is red, what is green, what is white, what is purple, what is orange. Okay, that is visible light waves. It helps us, or the electromagnetic spectrum helps us see light with colors or colored lights. Okay, so if we have colored lights or visible light waves, okay, we also have white light. Okay, what is this white light? So according to the definition, it forms when all the colors of light are combined. So for example, in an electromagnetic wave of light, okay, all colors are combined because of the reflection. It produces a white light. Okay, that's why in a bulb we only see white light, right? But this white light also help us to see the different colors around us. Like for example, the the my table is green. Okay, it's because the white light helps us to see it. Okay, and it cannot be, how do you call this term, it cannot be overpowered with the colored light. Okay, also, as you know what rainbow is, di ba? Have you seen a rainbow before? Sorry, rainbow before. Rainbow is being produced also because of white light. Okay, the white light around it. Later, I'm going to discuss to you how rainbow reflects in the atmosphere. Why rainbow has colors. Okay, so that is white light. So all the combination of a colored light, it forms a white light. Next. So this part, that is what I'm telling you a while ago, the rainbow. Okay, well, how is rainbow being produced? So let us read the definition. An atmospheric phenomenon that is caused by reflection, refraction, and disperse through water droplets in the atmosphere that results light appearing in the sky. Okay, so it is mentioned here that there are water droplets. These water droplets in the atmosphere is the one that causes the different colors of the rainbow. Okay? So, it's because of the reflection or refraction, not because the droplets has colors. Okay, but it is because of the reflection. Okay, it doesn't mean that it has color red, orange, blue, indigo, yellow. It doesn't mean that the droplets are those colors. Okay, but it appears on the atmosphere in the sky with different colors because of the reflection of the sun, of the droplets, of the clouds, of the different natural objects in the sky. Okay, that is how rainbow is being produced. So there are two kinds of rainbows. Okay, first, just like in colors, we have primary rainbow, just like primary colors, but there's a different definition for it. Okay, if we are talking about primary rainbow, you will see the rainbow. Okay, you will see the rainbow that its outer arc is color red, then its inner arc is color violet. Okay, let me repeat that. If you are seeing a primary rainbow or a red color arc on its outer and a violet arc on its inner, it's a primary rainbow. Let me repeat. Okay, a primary rainbow has a red color outer arc and a violet inner arc. Okay, that's a primary rainbow. How about the second type of rainbow, which is the secondary rainbow. So its difference is this. So in a secondary rainbow, the red color is in the inner. Okay, in the inner naman. Then the violet is on its outer. Okay, you will you will just have the opposite color of it in the outer and inner part. Okay, again, if it is primary, let me repeat, primary, the outer arc of a rainbow is color red and the inner arc of the rainbow is color violet. And when we say secondary, the inner arc is red and the outer arc is violet. Okay, again, what's the two type of rainbow? Primary and secondary. Is it clear? Give me a thumbs up if yes. Okay, let us proceed in the next part. So there are also two types of sky that we can see. Okay, so the first one is the blue sky. What is this blue sky or how is it produced? Okay, the sky is blue because blue light is scattered in the atmosphere, making the sky appear blue. As simple as that. Okay, so if a blue light is scattered in the atmosphere or in the sky will really appear blue. Okay, and what's the difference of this one on the next kind of sky? And this is the red sky. Yes, the sky is red because the blue light is scattered away from the atmosphere that allows red and yellow light to reach our eyes. Okay, so if the blue sky is not on the atmosphere anymore, okay, or the blue light is not on the atmosphere or not scattered in the atmosphere anymore, this is where red sky or red and yellow light appears. Okay. And usually what our eyes reach or see is red. That is why it is called red sky. Okay. So again, what are the two types of sky? We have blue sky. Okay. And red sky. Okay. So that is all about our lesson in light. As simple as that. Okay. Because we already studied about light on your previous years. We're just finishing the part of light for this information. So do you have questions? If you have questions, you can message Miss Jazz or your advisor, okay, so that you can clarify things, okay? So if you don't have questions, I think we're done with our review of the previous topic, our discussion. And I think we can now proceed on the next part of our video, which is the review activity number 1. So if you're ready for review activity time number 1, kindly get your whiteboard and marker. And let's answer the following question. Write the letter of the correct answer on your whiteboard. Again, write the letter of the correct answer on your whiteboard. Okay, let's start with number 1. Okay, visible light. Is it A or B? Again, visible light. Is it A or B? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the correct answer is letter B. Okay, it's letter B as you can see on the picture. If you got it correct, it's a good job. And if not, it's okay. Let's go to the next part. How about white light? Is it A or B? Again, white light. A or B? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the answer here is obviously letter A. Okay, good job. Next, let's go to the next one. Which of which is a rainbow? Again, which of which is a rainbow? Is it A or B? Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Obviously, the answer here is letter A. Okay, next, number 3. Which of which is a primary rainbow? Again, which of which is a primary rainbow? Look on the picture closely. There is a clue on the picture. Is it A or B? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the correct answer is letter B. Okay, now let's go to the next part. Which of which is a secondary rainbow? Which of which is a secondary rainbow? Is it A or B? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer here is yes, it's letter A. Okay, now let's go to the different kinds of sky. Blue sky. Obviously, blue sky. Is it A or B? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer here is letter yes, it's letter A. Okay, how about the last question for this day? Red sky. Which of which is a red sky? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the correct answer is letter B. Okay, good job, everyone. Okay, so since we're done with the review activity number 1, we will go to review activity time number 2. But for this part, I just want you to pause this video, okay? Then kindly answer your module from page 35. Okay, again, kindly answer your module on page 35. You can pause this video, okay? So I will not give you we are already done with the review discussion, review activity 1 and review activity 2. So I think if you have questions again, you can message Miss Jess or your advisor for clarifications. Okay. And the last part for this video is a reminder to please answer your module from page 36 to 37. Again, please answer your module from page 36 to 37. And also announcement and reminders will be given by your advisor or by Miss Jess on your group chat. Okay. So with that, I think we can now end our day by me asking you, how are you again? You give me a thumbs up, a heart, or a happy face, or a wow if you're amazed of the information that you have known today, a sad or angry because you're upset because you think that you still need to study this lesson. Okay? So I hope that everyone is doing fine after this lesson. So I think we can now say goodbye with each other. I hope you will have a nice day, and take care of yourself. Okay? Again, this is Miss Jazz. Okay, your science teacher. See you again next. Bye.